Hi guys, today we're going to talk about Storyblocks and ways of using stock videos to make money and grow your business. When you think of stock video websites, the first one that comes to mind is probably Storyblocks. And that's not surprising, as they've been one of the biggest demand-driven libraries of 4K and HD footage, After Effects, Apple Motion, and Premiere Pro templates, music, sound effects, animated backgrounds, images, and more. Everything in the library is royalty-free, so you can use anything you download for personal and commercial use. Storyblocks offers monthly and annual subscriptions for every budget, from the starter plan that includes 5 downloads a month, to the all-access plan that comes with unlimited downloads. Storyblocks was actually the first company to introduce an unlimited download plan to the market. So instead of paying for each asset, you can get a subscription for around $30 a month and download as much content as you want. And if you create a lot of videos, you know how important it is to have access to unlimited, high-quality stock footage. Sure, there are already other services that also offer unlimited downloads, but while companies like Envato Elements and Motion Array are catching on to the benefits of a subscription-based model, Storyblocks continues to innovate and add features that make it stand out from the rest of the competition. So, for instance, a Storyblocks subscription now comes with free access to Maker, an easy-to-use video editor. You don't need to download or install any software to use it. All you need is a web browser and an internet connection. The user interface is very simple. You just need to drag and drop your videos and photos into the timeline and then add music. With Maker, you can create professional-looking videos without having any video editing experience. You can also create YouTube Shorts in just a few clicks using pre-made templates, and it saves tons of time. As you probably already know, Storyblocks' library is huge, and it's constantly growing. There are literally millions of assets there, so running out of content for your projects won't ever be a problem. But what I really like about the platform is that their content is truly diverse and inclusive. If you want to create something really unique and authentic, then you should definitely check out their new Restock collections that focus on representing marginalized communities and creating content that is more reflective of our world. Another thing I want to talk about is Storyblocks licensing policy. With other companies, you have to continually relicense the footage if you want to keep using it. But with Storyblocks, you can use the footage forever without having to worry about it. This is a huge advantage for businesses and individuals who need quality video footage but don't want to spend a lot of money on it. When you're a small business or just starting out, every penny counts. You can also stock up on footage and use as much as you want, even if you cancel your subscription. And when your budget allows, you can restore your plan and download new footage. This makes Storyblocks a great value for small businesses and creatives on a tight budget. Okay guys, so if you want to learn more about Storyblocks, its features, pricing, pros and cons, then click on this link to watch my full review of the service. And now let's talk about how you can use Storyblocks to grow your online presence and earn money. When it comes to creating videos, many bloggers, marketers, and video creators are turning to Storyblocks for help to make their content unique. So it doesn't have to just be you talking in front of the camera anymore. You can add clips, music, or visual effects to your videos to make them more engaging. Even if you don't have a lot of experience, you can still create beautiful content using Storyblocks assets and Maker video editor. You can also use Storyblocks After Effects templates for creating intros and outros, and other elements like subscribe button animations, and then sell the end products on marketplaces like Fiverr and Upwork. And since Storyblocks offers unlimited downloads, you can do that without sacrificing your budget. And do you know that there are plenty of people who want to convert their articles into videos to get more traffic to their websites? And that there are not many people that offer that service? Well, with stock footage, you can create these types of videos with just a few clicks. You can add text to a video or hire a voice actor if you don't want to make a voiceover yourself. Storyblocks is also a great tool for creating short videos for your channel on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Not only does it help you to get more engagement, but it can also help you grow your channel faster. All you need is a template and some good keywords to get started. And lastly, you can use stock footage for NFT grinding. NFTs are huge right now, and if you have ever tried to get whitelisted to mint an NFT, you know how hard and how profitable that can be in hyped projects. So instead of grinding, create a unique video art or memes with videos from Storyblocks Library and early sneak peeks. Good videos always bring more traffic on Twitter, and this can help you get whitelisted. As you can see, there are so many easy ways to make money using stock videos. If you can find other use cases for Storyblocks, please let me know down in the comment section below. Everyone who leaves a comment will be entered into a raffle for the upcoming NFT project, so subscribe to stay tuned. Okay, so before I end this video, I just want to say that I truly believe that every creator should have a stock video subscription if they want to bring their stories to life. It's an amazing asset to have in your arsenal. Of course, it's up to you to decide which service you choose, but I do suggest that you give Storyblocks a try. It really is one of the best companies on the market today. I've been using Storyblocks myself for a few years now, and I have only good things to say about it. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.